Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adjeley and I'm back with another video. Today's video I will be showing you guys how I made this intro on my iPhone. All you need is a background of your choice and non-copyrighted song, because we are using this as an intro for our YouTube video. We don't want any copyright claim later on. And you would also need a subscribe and like button animation. So I got my background from Pinterest. So I went on the Pinterest app. Then you click on the search button. You can actually search whatever you want. So I search for aesthetic background for edits. And so if you get the one you like, you're just going to click on the picture or select the picture. Then you click on the three dots at the right hand corner side here. Then you click on download image. So this will be saved directly to your photo gallery. Then I also got my non-copyrighted song from YouTube. So all I did was to go on my YouTube channel. Then I searched for non-copyrighted cool aesthetic songs. I actually wanted this video to be simple and cool and all of that, so I actually got my song from this channel. And if you go through the songs and you get the one you like you listen to them and you get the one you like, you would then screen record. And when you're screen recording from your iPhone or Android, make sure that your microphone is off, okay, before you screen record, because if you don't put off your microphone, it's going to record what's playing in the phone and also the noise in your surrounding. Then the last and final thing is to find a subscribe and like button animation. So I also came on YouTube again, went to the search button, and then I searched for subscribe and like button animation. And you're going to get lots of channels giving you all of this. You can go through the one you like, then you also screen record. But when I was screen recording for the subscribe and like button, I did it in a landscape form. So after you've gotten all the things you need for your video, let's start editing. So I went onto my CapCut app, then clicked on new project. So we want to start off with our background, which is a picture. So you're going to go to photos, then you select the picture you saved from Pinterest, then you click on add. So this is not the right size for a YouTube video, so we are going to change the size. So to do that, you're going to scroll through these features down here and select format. Then you select 16.9, which is the right size for a YouTube video. So after you do that, you're going to now reposition your wallpaper on to fit it. After you've positioned it, the next thing is for you to take care of the duration of the video. I think the best intro length or duration should be between 6 seconds to 10 seconds. So this actual intro was, I think, 7 seconds or 8 seconds or so, I can't remember. But keep your intro so simple, and yeah, so to avoid people skipping your videos, which will actually mess up your retention. The next thing is for us to write our channel name, and to do that, you're going to select text. So I'm actually doing this intro for a very good friend of mine called Ramisa Myra. So we're going to input a channel name. So you're going to click on add text, going to write Ramisa Myra. So after you've written it, so the next thing you select is the style. With this one, you're going to change You can change the font or to whatever you like. So I'm going to go through the font and select the one I like. So I'm going to select this font for her. This is cute and I like it. And make sure when you're selecting the font, you select a more easily readable one, because the intro is short. The person is not going to get all the time to be able to figure out what you've written. So you have to make it simple yet very stylish. So the next thing I'm going to do is just edit the channel name. So you can go through all these effects over here and just choose the one that will help you get the edit of your choice. So when you click on effects, it gives you already edited art. You can go through and choose the one you like. Okay, so I'm going to leave this right here. Like, this is cute and everything. So if you want to get that animation effect, the one like the wavy kind of animation, you click on animation, then you click on loop. Then that kind of animation, I think it's at the latter side to save you the time. That's the wavy. Then you click on wavy. So this is moving too fast, so you can actually move it the way you want. Either it should be too slow or too fast. So we're going to regulate this like this, how you want it. Yeah, so I think this is fine. So after that, you click on done. You can also edit the background to a color. You can change it a little. So you click on adjust and maybe adjust it a little and all of that, so that you can fit everything. It's when you are editing on CapCut, they always add their name at the bottom of the video. So when I click on this one, it's over there, so you can actually delete it. So now that we are done with the background and the text editing, the next thing is to add a subscribe and like button animation. So to do that, you're going to click on overlay, then you click on add overlay. Then the screen record you did for the subscribe and like button, you're going to select it. So let's hit this one, then you click on add. So this is quite longer than the video, so we are going to adjust it to fit the video. So to move an object, you're going to long click on it, then you move it. Okay, so I'm going to close this at the end as well. We don't want the black thing at the corner, the left and right hand corner side, so we are going to crop it off. So to do that, you're going to click on it to highlight it, then you click on edit, then you click on crop, then we're going to crop it off. Then after you do that, you're going to select 16.9. that is the correct YouTube edit. And because I used an X series font, this black line is there, so we are going to move it up a little so it doesn't also show. Then after you're done editing whatever you want out of it, you click on done. So we're going to let this fit the screen. After you've done that, we also don't want the green screen. Okay, so we're going to remove it. To do that, you're going to select the chroma key. You select the chroma key. So as you can see, this round thing on the screen, you're going to take it to the green side. Make sure all the edges or the circle is green, or take it to the green side. Then you click on intensity. When you click on intensity, you're going to move the cursor like this arrow. So this is actually going to take all the green screen away, so it's left with just the subscribe button. So after that, you click on done. The next thing is for us to add the song to the video. So to do that, you're going to click on add audio, then it's going to say extracted. So what this means is that the screen record we did that came in the form of a video, it's actually going to take the audio out of the video. So this is the song, the screen record I did. So I'm going to click on import sound only. So this is a sound. Because of where the cursor is, that's why it's starting from there, but we're going to move it to the beginning. So to do that, like I said earlier, you're going to long click on it, then you move your fingers. Okay, so the song starts somewhere around here, as you can see by the waves. So we're going to click on it and then close it up, then move it again to the beginning. So we're going to move the sound because it's too long. You can split. Okay, so you're going to click on split, then you click on the one you want to delete, then it just deletes it off. So like I said, sometimes the song and how I want it to start and end makes me extend my intro longer. So since it's still within the one, like the length I told you about, it's fine to extend it. So with the audio, let's fade it so that when it ends, it doesn't just end, it will end slowly and nicely. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. Perfect. So you're going to click on done if you like it. So as you guys noticed, the subscribe and like button, when it clicks on the bell, it doesn't sound. I want it to sound, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to extend it a little, then let's play it and see. Okay, so that means that we don't have to extend the video. That's something I'm not going to do, but this is what we're going to do. We're going to click on it, and then we click on speed, then normal, so that this will add a little speed to it so that it can decrease it to like the amount we want. It's not like we're going to make it 2 speed, but like you're going to monitor it so that it comes to the right size of the video. So this is it. So let's play it. Perfect. So this is it, guys. So after you're done, you're going to click on done. So you're going to go back, click on the arrow. So this is all to it, guys. So I'm just going to go through and then edit some things like the way I want it and everything. So the last and final thing is for you to add those shining stars on your video. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on effects. Then there are a lot of effects here. You can choose the effect you want. So I'm going to show you the ones I use. So I came to the blink part, and I think I used this one. So you can actually use multiple of them for your video, but you have to save it one after the other before you can choose. So after you've selected this one, you have to save it, click on done. Then let's say you adjust it. So I adjusted it, I played it throughout the end of the video. If you want to add another one, you're going to go back again and click on add effects. Then the effect you want, you can choose. There are lots of them over here. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. So this is how I made my intro, guys. So the last and final thing is for you to save it. To save it, you click on the arrow here at the right and top side, click on it. Then it says video is being exported, and you have to make sure that the app is open till it's done. So save to your device and project. So this has been saved directly to your gallery. I'm thinking of doing an intro giveaway on my channel. So if this was helpful to you and you want to be part of this giveaway, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.